How? I know this box has been sitting for too long, and today I'm going to use it for something important. Yes, so we're shredding Afang leaves for preparation. This has been washed, dried, sun dried, and then ready to go. So let's get into the video, guys. First, you want to start by getting your knife shaping. If it's not been touched at all, you can get it to the market. It has to be very sharp, guys, and you have to be careful while using it. So start by picking the Afang leaves, arrange them in such a way your hands can grip on it. And for a beginner, you don't want to stack up so much for now. You can pick like 10 leaves, roll it in between your fingers, and then get one big one to secure the center. And exactly this. So guys, come with me. Next thing, you're going to pick your shaping knife, place it at the center in between your fingers, and divide that into two. Secure properly with your fingers, you can see. If it's not okay, you can use the bigger leaf to wrap around. Yes, so rest your knife at the tip and begin to slice slowly. Forget what I'm doing, I had to just speed up the video. Alright, so as we get along, I'll show you more tips on how to do this. So this is it basically. Yes, so first of all, how do we start this shredding? You want to pick out the spoiled or damaged or dead that may have escaped while you're washing, so that way you get to sort your Afang one after the other if it's possible, and you roll it, wrap on top each other. Use a bigger leaf to secure the center. That way you have a good grip of the Afang. So center your knife and divide into two, just as we did initially. So Afang is a very delicious meal cooked by Calabas, Akwa Ibom people. The Igbos do enjoy this, as well as every other tribe in Nigeria. Trust me, guys, this is not your regular meal. It's a delicacy. Yes, so this is set to go, and of course you can see we have remnants of the Afang that we couldn't shred. So what can we do to this one? I'll just ensure you add to a new batch, wrap it around, and then continue shredding. So this very tip is to tell us that you're going to shred the Afang in a forward backward motion. Do not raise your knife above your fingers, please. Do not raise your hands above your fingers. So stack up the old ones to the new, repeat the same process, and that's it, guys. Okay, so repeat the process, and that's it. Good. I don't know if you can see properly this way. And then I want to show you how to handle the knife. Let your fingers rest on the Afang. Rest your fingers on the Afang. Hold your knife properly by securing it tightly on the handle like this. Alright, so that's basically it, guys. So as a pro, you want to grab more of the leaves, stack them together, but still sort out the spoiled leaves, because this can affect the speed of the knife and the sharpness of the knife. Moisture will reduce the level at which the knife can shred. Handle your knife this way, and then take out the dirt and then stack up more leaves, roll them together and pick the widest leaf, secure the center, and then you want to divide this into two. Add more leaves if it's not secured properly by wrapping another one, and then handle your knife this way. Okay, so you shred the leaves with the knife being in a slanting position. That's it. Here we have our shredded afang. Thank you guys for watching. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this, and share. Bye.